Hello guys, today I got a rich mousse textured cheesecake recipe which is made in a blender. This is so easy to make and really tasty. So let's start the recipe. Step 1 is making the base of the cheesecake. So I'm using 2 cups of almond flour for that, and into that I'm adding 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'm whisking it with a wire whisk. Again I'm adding extra 3 tablespoons of melted butter into the flour. Now it's a wet sand-like consistency, which is the correct consistency. Now our flour mixture is ready to go. Step 2 is lining the baking tin. So I'm using a 9-inch springform pan, and then I'm lining it with a parchment paper. So this is the way I line. So close the rim and cut the extra overhanging parchment paper with a scissor. Easy. Now our baking tin is ready. Then transfer the almond mixture into the cake tin and press the almond flour mixture onto the base using the bottom of a measuring cup, and then refrigerate. In the meanwhile, we can prepare the cheesecake filling. So here I'm using 500 grams of ricotta cheese at room temperature. I'm adding into the blender and blending it. So now to the blended ricotta cheese, I'm adding double cream. This double cream I got it from Aldi, which is about 300 milliliters or 1 cup. I'm adding this double cream into the ricotta cheese. Again, I'm going to blend this together. Make sure that you use all these ingredients at room temperature. So I have blended both of these together, and into that I'm adding 1 1/4 cup of full fat Greek yogurt, and into that I'm adding zest of a small lemon, which is about 1 teaspoon, and then half a cup of sweetener. I used organic stevia. You can use your favorite one, and then a good quality vanilla essence, which is about a tablespoon. Now blend all this together, and in the meantime we can prepare the gelatin mix. So to 8 tablespoons of hot water, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of gelatin, and then I'm going to mix the gelatin with the hot water without any lumps or clumps. If you see your mixture is lumpy, you can microwave it for 10 seconds. Now take out the blended cheese mixture. Into that add the gelatin mixture and blend it straight away at high speed. Make sure that all the ingredients are well combined. Now take out the prepared cake base and pour in the cheesecake filling. And just level the top. So now our cheesecake is ready, and refrigerate it overnight. Next day, take out the cheesecake from the fridge, and we need to release the cheesecake from the cake tin. So dip a cloth in warm water and run around the cake tin just like so. This helps to release the cheesecake from the tin. And then again I'm using a knife dipped in the warm water and running through all the edges and slowly taking out the rim. Beautiful. Now I'm cutting a piece of cheesecake. Let's see how beautiful it is. Wow, it looks and tastes amazing, and I'm taking it to next level. I'm adding blueberry sauce or blueberry compote. The recipe is in the description below. Wow, it tastes amazing, guys. Definitely you should try this recipe, and you can store this cheesecake and the blueberry sauce in the fridge for 1 week. So if you want to see more keto or low carb recipes like this, let me know in the comments below, and definitely try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.